Yo guys, thanks once again for watching the video. So that was for Sneaker Freaka, the swap meet in October 2019. So I had a blast going there. It was always good to see the locals, and it's also good to see some of my subscribers out there saying hi and giving their feedback on my videos and all that kind of stuff. So that's all that stuff still warms my heart. So thank you guys so much for saying hi. I just want to give a big shout out to also Hans and Woody for organizing the event. Always do a really good job, boys. Thank you so much. And yeah, so that was Sneaker Freaka, and I had a really good time there. If you guys don't know about Sneaker Freaka, just a little bit of a background with them. They are a huge sneaker content article generator. They just create so much really cool content in relation to sneakers and other brands such as that. But you know, they are also on paperback, you know, as you can see there. They do a lot of that's where they were really first known for doing paperback ones, but they are also online now. You can see them on social media, Facebook, even on their website. And speaking of websites, guys, they have decided, Sneaker Freaka has decided to team up with The Iconic. If you guys don't know about The Iconic as well, The Iconic is a brand online. So they have a website where they sell other brands. They sell a lot of the normal stuff like the Nikes, the Adidas's, but they also sell high-end stuff like the Rough Polo and other things like that. The Sneakerhub, okay, that's the new whole thing. And they have decided to use the power, alright, of Sneaker Freaka to kind of use their kind of aesthetic and kind of generate more people to come to the website. So definitely it's a really cool look. If you guys go onto the website, you can see I believe there's more of like a streetwear vibe there now because of the Sneaker Freaka guys you know, kind of putting in their input. So, and there's a lot of other things that because before I used to go into Iconic before, and a lot of the stuff that I see now is that I could see a lot more streetwear stuff than stuff that I couldn't see before. Okay, when The Iconic wasn't with Sneaker Freaka. So there's definitely, like, I see a lot of Air Force Ones now, a lot of Air Maxes, all these kind of different kind of you know, silhouettes and all that kind of stuff. So it's really, really definitely cool. So do check it out, guys. Also, when you're going through the website, it'll probably give you an opportunity to sign up to with your email onto the website, so you get updates and news and stuff like that. But it also gives you $20 off your first purchase. So definitely look that up and you know, give it a go. 20 bucks is 20 bucks if you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, thanks once again for watching this video. Shout out to all the guys at Sneaker Freaka. I got socks. Woo! Thanks to Sneaker Freaka and Globe for those. And yeah, thanks once again for watching this video. Thanks to all that said hi to me on the weekend. And yeah, if you like the content, please give me that big thumbs up. And if you like the content even more, please consider subscribing. Thanks once again for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!